Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So honestly, if you got to my first video, then here is the second video of me installing my wig. So basically, I just wanted to let y'all see like the process of it all. Right now I'm just spraying my hair down with some water just so I can detangle it, and then that is the Mayo curling smoothie. I didn't have no moisturizer, so that was all I really had to moisturize my hair. I'm going with the wide tooth comb and just detangle my hair. So I know you're probably wondering, girl, what happened to your edges? Okay, so I've always had thin edges, even when I was a kid. I don't really know why, and I always have a hard time with them. So if y'all had know any like tips or tricks to get my edges to come back like that, just help, because I don't know what to do. Any braids, dreads, anything, crochet I put in my hair, it rips my edges out. So like I said, if y'all have anything that can help me, I appreciate it. But right now I'm just sectioning my hair into two sections, because I really just want it to be easy. Usually I put my hair in a lot more braids than just two, because I like my hair to be flat underneath my wigs. But yeah, so I'm just going in and I'm just putting my hair into braids. So I do want to come on here and I do want to apologize for the angle of everything. I know I look like super low, but I'm like 5'2", so just bear with me when it comes down to the angle of the video. I tried, I really did. So now I am done braiding both sides of my hair. So now I'm gonna just grab my wig. This is the Sensational What Lace wig. The name is Solana. I'm gonna put a picture up right here. That's what the pack looked like, just in case y'all was wondering or wanted to go look for it. And I also want to put a video up from when I first got the wig and put it on. I didn't put no baby hairs in or anything. All I did was cut the lace and just put my wig dealer this adhesive on my hair. And when I tell y'all, my lace do not show when I put this adhesive on. Like, my lace do not show. I love this stuff. And then by the time like the inner night hit, I can just take it off with the ease, and like it don't look crazy or any of that. Like, I don't know how to really explain it. Like, when you put it on and then you take it off, like, the stuff lasts all day. At least for me it does. But taking it off is just so easy. Like, I don't have to put no glue down. Then you have to worry about the glue adhesive ripping your hair out. This stuff don't do that. Like, it lay down, it don't move. And honestly, I feel like if I wanted to go to sleep with this adhesive on my hair at night, like, I feel like it still wouldn't move. But like, getting it off, it's no problem at all. Like, it don't rip my hair out or nothing. I don't know how many times I have to say that. So a little bit about this wig. So this wig is a synthetic blend wig. It's a lace wig also. Like I said before, I did have to cut the lace off. There is a lot of parting space, but around like the ear tabs part, there's not really any parting space at all, which is fine. It's like whatever. I believe I could say maybe like a 4x4, but don't quote me. Um, what else about this wig? Like I said, this is synthetic blend, so you cannot put no more than like 400 degrees with a flat ironer or a curling wand. Right now I'm just taking my wide tooth comb, I'm just detangling everything, but Yeah, honestly, this hair is like super soft. I love the curls. I really wanted this wig for Thanksgiving, um, which is why I got it. And this wig was honestly sold out of every hair store. It took me 5 hair stores to find this wig, and it's so pretty, so beautiful. I have 3 wigs by What Lace Company or Sensational, whatever this wig is by. I have 3 of them because everything is so good. The knots on it is all hand tied. Um, so it looks really natural. Pre-plucked is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I just really love this wig, and I really hope y'all go and get it. I know y'all probably staring at my baby hairs. I am gonna fix that. I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue gel, and I'm gonna just go in and fix that up. But other than that, yeah, that's honestly it for the video. Like, that's just how I install all of my wigs. Now, if y'all want me to go a little bit more in depth one day, because I did have to do a little bit of doctoring up to get the wig to look how I want it to look, where I had to go with the hot comb, cutting my baby hairs and stuff like that. I will do it for y'all. Just let me know. Comment below. Like and comment below. And I'll definitely come through. I will get me another wig and I will show y'all how to do it. So, yeah, that's pretty much the rest of the video, honestly. And just y'all continue to watch, and I'm just say thank you. Thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, bye.